Yeah.
We are studying IGCSE ICT and we're taking the web authoring test 1 today. The date is 3rd of November 2022. The start time is now 2:35 p.m. IST. You have exactly 1 hour for this test and you should start now. So there's no more hiccups anymore. Just continue. Duration is 1 hour.
Sure, what's the work area?
Work area.
My camera's not working. I'm trying to fix it.
All right. Now the work area is basically you have a folder, right? That's where you have to store everything. Inside the folder, where you have the images and everything, right? That's where you should have your website, HTML files. Is that clear, Ayan?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Can you see me?
Yes, Anas, I can hear you.
No, like see me.
I cannot see you.
Okay, my camera's not working.
Just share your screen then.
Okay.
And camera stays on still, Anas. Okay. And Manvi, I can see you. Share your screen, Manvi. Is sharing. Anas and Ayan share.
I'm already sharing. I have a doubt. How do I name work area?
It's basically a folder. It's a folder where you keep all your files, right?
Okay.
Where the files are the HTML files, where the images are stored. The file you have gotten. Okay. That's your work area. So, everything should be in one folder. So the website can work properly.
What do I do now?
Yes, Anas?
What do I do now? It's not
Okay.
working.
Not working. Fine. So you're sharing your screen, right? Just a second. I'll look at it and let's see how we fix it. Just a second. All right, Anas, go to the file, open the compressed file. Not that one, not that one. You have the exam, right? And then you have the compressed archive. Open it. Download it. From the top right. Do one thing. Allow me to just download it. Okay. So we download this. All right. So you should have the file on your the front of your desktop. Where is it? Right there. No, it's not here. Okay. That's there's a lot of files on the desktop. How do I open a folder? Go to the folder.
Wait, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Yeah, zip file doesn't open on my computer.
No, they can. Just a second. So go to open the Make a folder on desktop first, Anas, and store that zip on the desktop or on a folder on the desktop.
It's right here.
Right here. Let's make another folder somewhere else. Okay. Name it test. Okay, let's take. Right, Anas, you have the files here.
Okay.
Done. So use that, and that's it.
All right.
Now continue the test.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Ask me.
So how are we supposed to show the frame size and everything in your folder? There's a question that says
Yeah.
display the contents of your M22 underscore HTML folder showing the folder name, all file names, file sizes, image dimensions, and for the video, the frame height and frame width.
Okay. Now you have to show display the contents or size names. Okay. Basically, what you have to this in question. This is file management. Okay. You can skip this if you're not able to, but for this, all you have to do is you have to use the columns, the folder. It will show the sizes and the extensions and everything, right? You can skip this. It's for 1 mark. Okay, this is chapter 11. We'll revise it and I'll tell you how to do this. Pretty easy, but for now you can skip this. Okay. All you have to do is take a screenshot of the folder, and it should show the sizes and everything and the extensions. Okay.
Sir, what about the image dimensions?
Image dimensions. That is also a property of your Windows folder. It has an option there. So now I can't teach you right now, so skip that question. Move on to the next one. Fine. You can take a screenshot of whatever you have, just the extension and the file sizes. Forget the frame height. I'll teach you afterwards. Now the main topic in this test is the web page. Task 3. There is no task 4, and you can leave task 1 and task 2 as well. And I am share your screen.
Wait, sir, we don't have to make an evidence document?
You have to try your best to make the evidence document. If you have a problem, then you can skip it. If you have a problem, otherwise just do everything that the question asks. Do everything in the paper. Fine.
So, sir, I have a doubt.
Yes.
Create a web page called naivasha.htm. Is that the title of the web page, or do I need to save it with that name?
Save it with that. That's the file name.
Okay.
Anas, are you doing?
Yeah, the CSV files aren't opening.
Aren't opening. Now you don't have to do anything with CSV, Anas. That's spreadsheets. Forget that. Just read the question paper and make HTML files. Okay. You can also use the online compiler of the HTML if you're not able to use HTML. Anas, what about your laptop? Where is it?
Oh, my mom's using it right now.
Sir,
Yes, Anas. Yes, Ayan.
it's not letting me screen share at the same time as Bambi.
Is it? What is it doing? Say it again.
And it keeps closing. It's not letting me screen share at the same time as Bambi. It keeps closing.
No, I'm closing it. Okay, now you can share again. It's fine. I closed yours because I wanted to see Anas's share. Now you have to share again.
Sir, now can you see it?
Just a second. Yes, I can see it.
All right.
Are we supposed to make the folder M22HTML inside the IC, the folder we just made, or?
Okay, before you do that, you have to create a new folder. Okay, in the first task 1 evidence document, create a new folder. That's called the work area. And that new folder should be M22 evidence. Okay, and in that new folder, you should create a new HTML. Basically, create the new folder called m22.html. Fine. That's a new folder in separate folder. Okay, and then locate all your files and store them in that folder. Fine. Everything related to your website should be in one folder.
Do we write this in Word?
Write what in Word?
Evidence Word.
Evidence, yes, that's Word. And then you have you can make it in Word, yes. And all these screenshots should go into Word.
I don't have Word.
If you don't have Word, use any text editor to make the evidence. So anything equivalent to Word, whatever you have.
Sir, I have a
Yes.
doubt. How do I make the table size 80%? I can make the height or the width 80%, right?
Okay, wait, which question is this? Tell me question number.
The third question, 1 second. Yeah, it's the third question, the second part.
The task 3 second part, right? It says
Yeah.
fit 80% of the browser window.
Yeah.
So what does that means? That basically means, okay, if they're not telling you if it's width or height, that means it is both 80%.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. It also should be center aligned, by the way. That's in the question.
After I'm done with the evidence document, what do I do with it?
Don't do anything, just do the paper. The paper will give you all the evidences, the instruction to do what you have to. Focus on making the HTML file on us. Okay. Task 3. So I should have a table. It should have all these, the width, size, height, everything should be correct.
Wait, in this syllabus, do we only have tables?
We have tables, and yes, there's lots of tables. You have to place images in tables, and you have to change tables and everything. Yes, that's all we have. Everything we have done so far, right?
I get it. I know what to do with the evidence. Thank you.
Now I see that all the mics and cameras are off. If that happens one more time, then your paper will be disqualified, and you'll be getting a 0.
Sir,
Yes.
it doesn't mention how big the borders have to be.
No, it's also, we have done this in class, Ayan. The only option you'll ever have in your exam will be 1. So the border should be 1. Okay.
All right, sir. Thank you.
They won't ask you to change the unless specified. The border is always 1. Ayan, why is your camera not on? Right, you're looking pretty good. I like the color orange. Right, so continue. Raise your hand if you have any questions. All right.
Sir, I have a doubt. There's no okay.
I don't think the folder will open the web page.
Mandeep?
Yes, sir. I had a doubt.
Yes, tell me.
Okay, so over here, there's two varying heights for cell D and E, and how are we supposed to get that? They said do not mention the height.
Say that one more time. Question number first. Which question?
Question 3, in the table structure when we're writing the code, they said
Yeah.
do not set the height for cells D and E, but the height's varying. So how does that happen?
Okay, now you don't have to worry about that. When you add the images, that's when the proper structure will be shown, right? So if you don't put the height, it will be automatic. But when you do put the image there, it will all become same afterwards, right? So just right now, do what is written. They have given you the width, so put the width, but they haven't given the height. So leave the height. Don't mention the height in the style command, right? Does that answer your question?
Yeah.
Also, Manvi, camera on. Anas, what is your progress?
I'm on the web page part.
Okay. Ayan, which question part are you doing?
So I'm in the fifth one.
Wait, how do you make the table 80%?
Lola, can you hear me?
Yes, sir, I can hear you.
Yes, good evening. You're very early to class, why is that?
Actually, I have to join with the laptop, so I had to grab the informations from here, the
All right,
meeting ID
okay.
and everything.
All right. So you have a test, right? So
Yes.
good luck for it. Revise well and join on time.
Okay.
Wait, are you there?
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yes, Manvi, tell me.
Okay, what is in a new okay, in the question 10, it says create a hyperlink, open it in the new browser window called _blank.
Yes.
So how are we supposed to do that? Just add a normal hyperlink, right?
Add a hyperlink, normal one, then you have to add the target window.
I have a question.
It's the target window one. Yes, Anas.
I'm stuck on the part where it says it should be the table must be center aligned and fit 80% of the browser window.
Yes, that means the height and width are both 80%.
Okay.
Right?
It's not working on one compiler or any other thing, so I'm doing it on Visual Studio Code.
Is it working? As long as it's working, it's fine. Yes, Manvi.
Yeah,
Yes, Manvi.
Oh, okay. 1 second. I forgot to lower my hand. That was
That's
my
all right.
doubt.
It's okay. Ayan, how much have you finished? Ayan, what is the progress? Ayan. Now you guys have exactly 15 minutes left, right? You have 15 minutes left, and after that, your paper will be taken from you. You have 15 minutes left for the exam. Now, I want you to continue doing the paper, all right? And I'm going to add you to the breakout room. Manvi, can you hear me?
Yeah.
All right. So I'm going to add you to the room. You have to continue doing the paper. You have 15 minutes left only.
So I have a question.
Yes, Anas.
How do I make the different sizes for each letter for A, B, C, D, E? I don't understand this.
You don't have to you just have to put it as a embedded style command in the website and set the height as whatever they're asking you to, right?
Yeah.
And maybe if they're not asking the height, then leave it blank. If they're asking for width, just put the width. One thing I would recommend is do as much as you can.
They're not asking for both.
Then don't do anything. Leave it.
And also, it's not allowing me to center align it. Wait, I'm trying.
Yeah, try it. Now, all of you join to room 1. Ayan, Anas, Manvi, go on.
How?
How? All right, just a second. Now try. Okay. Ayan, Anas. Okay. Now.